Today we're going to be looking at the perfect size recess you need for turning and the perfect size spigot for your chuck. Make sure your chuck, your jaws form a perfect circle. This is normally around when you've got an 1/8 of an inch gap here or 3mm. That will form a perfect circle. If I just expand the jaws, you'll see now this doesn't form a perfect circle, so you will have minimum grip. So form a perfect circle, then measure externally and measure internally. Then you can cut, this is just a piece of plywood, it can be plywood, MDF, whatever. The 47 is for a spigot, which will go internally. The 56 is for recess, which will fit on the outside of your jaws. And this means then in future, if you're turning a piece of wood between centres for a spigot or a bow blank, which is good to put a spigot on, once this slips over, you know you've got your perfect size spigot. At the same time, if you're making a recess, once this fits into the recess, you know that that's going to fit over the jaws, your recess. This is approximately 10mm deep here, which is the maximum size you really want to go into a recess. So make one of these for each particular jaws you have of different sizes, and that will make it a lot easier to achieve a correct size spigot and recess for your turning. I hope this short video has been useful. If you like it, please click subscribe and the bell button will notify you. So thank you very much.